Dr. Brian from Creek Chiropractic here. We're gonna give you some safety tips for shoveling snow. First of all, it is 17 degrees out here, and at 20 degrees or below, it only takes 15 minutes to get frostbite. So you always wanna make sure to use a hat here so you are not giving yourself any problems. If you have a heart condition, make sure to talk to your medical doctor to see if this is something that your heart can handle, because this is exercise and puts a lot of strain on the heart. So one of the things we don't wanna do is we don't want to bend at the waist. We want to bend at the knees and make sure your back is straight, and we want to shovel to the front. What we don't want to do is we want to bend like this and rotate, because rotating like that while bent is going to irritate the back and the discs. Those discs will get tore up, and that's a big driver of pain that we see people come in with. If you're shoveling on the edge of your property, you're going to want to make sure you're not wearing dark colors where people might not see you. I'd recommend something bright like this. You want to make sure that we are warming up before we're out here doing exercise, as in shoveling snow and putting a lot of pressure on the heart. So one of the things we're going to want to do is make sure we warm up inside of the house so we get the blood flowing. Just like at the gym, we make sure we warm up first before we lift. I would do 20 to 30 seconds just walking in place, moving your arms and moving this. I know it looks a little silly, but very effective. You're just marching in place and getting things moving, even for 15, 30 seconds. Make sure that you're moving your arms a little bit, getting good blood flow to the extremities. And then we'll do some gentle twists back and forth. And then we're also gonna make sure we go gently in the back and forth, so everything's warmed up, so we got a better chance of performance while we're shoveling. We're loose, we're limber, we got great blood flow for better performance and less chance for having injury when we're shoveling. If you do find you end up getting back pain, you don't want to use heat. What you do want to use is make sure you use ice. Obviously we got plenty of ice around here, but we want to make sure we use a gel ice pack like this, and make sure there's a dry cloth between your skin and this. That way you don't get frostbite. You have this on for 15 minutes on, off for an hour. Doing that 3 times a day is going to help control the inflammation. Then of course you can always ask us questions by commenting below.